How to put a gun in a gun holder is very simple. Watch the video till the end. It is very simple. On two cycle motor to water pipe rest and waste tube cycle motor is to attach. Do as shown in this video. Let me know in the comments what your link think of this video. Let me know what kind of videos you would like to see in the comments, and tell me from which country you are watching my video. If you like the video, please give me a like.